Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. This is a quick video. This is a guy that is a medical professional who had gone to one of my competitors 2 or 3 times and looked like this. And part of it that makes it look bad is that he's had too little hair put over too much bald head, and he's got a big color contrast. So we trimmed him down and packed that front third, and then he took his own stitches out, or he had his nurse take his own stitches out. And then he walks in, I think like Thanksgiving or Christmas, just recently, and wants us to work on these crowns. So I snapped a few pictures, and here he is now. That's pretty good. He's gone from looking remarkable to looking unremarkable.
How many grafts did he had before us?
It was something like 4,500 grafts from the competitor, supposedly, and I think we did 1,800 on him. That 1,800 made a big difference.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure you got 4,500 someplace else. So do your research, even if you're a medical professional. I mean, people get talked into silly stuff all the time. So do your research and have an idea of what you think you're going to get based on pictures that your doctor has shown you.
Yeah, provide. Yeah.
If we can help you, give us a call.